PNG Jewelers.
A 9-judge constitution bench led by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud began hearings on Tuesday to address the imposition of tax and cess on mineral-bearing lands. Senior lawyer Rakesh Dwivedi presented arguments on 11 crucial questions focusing on the legality of the cess imposed on royalty rather than debating whether royalty itself is a tax. The bench raised several queries during the proceedings, and Dwivedi referred to the past decisions related to cess on royalty. The Constitution Bench will delve into the essential tax law questions, including whether royalty can be considered a tax and if state legislatures can impose tax on land based on the value of its produce. The case, the second oldest pending judgment in the Supreme Court, will continue with Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud presiding along the 8 other judges on Wednesday. The Kerala High Court has rejected petitions challenging a notification from the Travancore Devaswam Board affirming the board's decision to limit the selection of the high priest post to individuals from the Malayala Brahmin community. The court, dismissing the arguments that this practice amounts to untouchability and violates Article 17 of the Constitution, emphasized the petition lacked sufficient grounds. The verdict, delivered by Justice Anil K. Narendra and P.G. Ajit Kumar, upholds the board's right to invite application exclusively from the Malayala Brahmin community for the role of chief priest in the Sabrimala and Mallikappuram temples. The Supreme Court has expressed concern over the encroachment and illegal occupation along national highways and has instructed the National Highway Authority of India to formulate a scheme for regular inspection, a complaint mechanism, and a swift resolution of complaints regarding encroachment. The court, led by Justice Asoka, emphasized the ongoing issue of encroachment on highways across the country and stressed the necessity of continuous survey to reclaim highway land. The court has directed the Highway Administration to utilize Section 26 to remove encroachment promptly and free the highways from illegal occupation. A report on the implementation of these measures is expected from the Highway Administration within 2 months, with the next hearing scheduled for April 30. The Supreme Court has issued a contempt notice to the director of Patanjali and Patanjali Ayurveda, seeking their response to the misleading advertisement claiming to treat 4 diseases. The court questioned why action should not be taken against them for violating its orders and warned against making statements against any medical system in print or media. The court found Patanjali's claims such as completely eliminating BP, diabetes, arthritis, asthma, and obesity to be in violation with the drugs and the magical remedies. The action follows an anonymous letter received by the Supreme Court revealing that despite previous orders on November 21, 2023, Patanjali continued to release such misleading advertisement. The next hearing on this matter is awaited. The Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is facing continued challenges as the Enforcement Directorate investigating the alleged leaker scam case in Delhi has issued him summon for the 8th time. Despite the repeated summons, Kejriwal has yet not appeared for questioning, and the ED has now scheduled the next session for March 4. Earlier, the Aam Aadmi Party leaders Manish Sisodia and Sanjay Singh were arrested in connection with the same money laundering probe. Arvind Kejriwal received the first summon on November 2nd, and subsequent summons were sent on various dates, with the latest being issued on February 27th.